Hi there. If another player keeps opening your media files, let's fix that. Here's how to set VLC as the default player on Windows. In Windows Explorer, right-click your video file, go to Open With, and select Choose Another App. Choose VLC and click Always. The file icons for that format now show the VLC icon. Other file types still open with their default app. You need to associate each format with VLC separately. Press the Windows key and type Default App. Under Set a Default for a file type, search for the media type. It shows the current default app. Click the default app and select VLC Media Player. Now VLC is set as the default media player for most media file types.